Guys, look at this. They detach easily because they're made for the face. What? Easiest thing in the world. Ah, what a beautiful thing. Hello and welcome to my channel. Dephemberember is keeping me very busy. Today is December the 3rd and we have layer tag and retro film strip. So I print a lot of this retro film strips from the internet, and this is what I have. This looks very nice. It looks really like it has the plastic in here, but I also have some of them that I cut out from a magazine a while ago, and so when I saw the prompt was like the aha moment. I say, oh, okay, this is a perfect time for me to use this that I already have. So I'm gonna place all my materials around here and let's start. One of the best and good things about Dephemberember is that you don't have anything predetermined. So as you go with the flow, and especially when you read the prompts for the first time, the farthest I go is I look for some things related with the prompt that in my head I can figure that they can work for the prompt of that day. But in the end, when you start making your ephemera, then you can come out with something totally different than the idea you previously have. So I print these butterflies because they are in the same color as the photo strips I have here, and as you can see, they're exactly the same. I can divide them into two groups, and let's see what I can do. So this is one idea. And related with the layering, I still don't know what to do, but I'm pretty sure that by the end of the video I'm gonna be able to do something cool for this today's ephemera for December the 3rd. You know that it's a fantasy, it's not really on plastic or nothing, but this is what is this about. And I'm gonna use this as a template so I can just cut around the first one with the butterflies. As you can see, I guess the contrast is really nice. I really like it. Well, you can always have something going this way, because remember that you can take the picture like vertical or horizontal. Why not having this horizontal? Why not? That was the way it used to be. So I remember taking my pictures for my thesis and a lot of work for my classes and everything, and then wait for 1 week sometimes to see the final result. What a blessing is the internet and the digitalizing of the pictures and documents nowadays. That is the most beautiful thing. You don't have to wait, you just take a picture and then you see the result. So this is what I have, and I'm gonna go with that because you can always have pictures like portrait or landscape. So this makes a lot of sense to me. The cover of my journal for the Dephemberember, look, it's totally empty. I already have this lace and I have some ideas. Let me see what I'm gonna be coming out with. And this is the color vintage photo. So it's one of my favorite. I love it. And I'm gonna go in here for the borders. And also I was going to tell you, I have these stencils that are used for face painting. So I'm gonna use them in a moment in here for embellishment too. So when I saw them, the first thing I thought was, oh, okay, these are stencils and they come with glue, so they're not gonna move from the place you want them to be. So that is a super better and best idea ever. You see, it's totally different. It's changing in 1 second. It has like an old vintage look. So this is gonna be a top spot. Now I need to do the card that's gonna go in here, and in the meantime I'm gonna just clamp this here and also the other one down here so I can make sure that it's gonna be dry by the moment we work in the card. As this is on the front page, I want to do something with my stickers for face paint, and let's see how this works. So I have a butterfly there, I have another butterfly, I can do two butterflies, and probably a rose, this one, a rose there. They have glue, so you don't have to worry about the stencil moving away and you having this dress ink on the wrong place. And also they detach easily because they're made for the face. What? I love it. Look at that. I just came out with something new. Oh, I can't believe it. I like it. Oh my goodness, the rose is amazing. Amazing. Guys, I don't know if you can see it there, but this is really, really cute. I am in love with this one. All right, so now I need to produce the multi-cards. I can do 3 of them. This is the perfect layering. I'm happy that I have them this way. Yes, here. This is my second year following Dephemberember, participating, and I'm already in love. This is the second day, but I am already happy. Even if you work and you get tired, when you get home you're tired, doesn't matter, because then you get and then you do something different and you forget about everything. And okay, so in the final touch is going to be having the stickers for face painting in here. So I'm gonna do the crown, I'm going to do the bow, I'm going to do another crown, I'm going to do the butterfly. I can do the second butterfly, the one that I never used before. So this is what we have here. Okay, this is what I have. Now I'll go with this. So I'm never gonna use this, or not in this project. I like it because it's in the tones of brown. So even if the old photo strips are dark, we're gonna be able to see the crown and the butterfly and everything. So wish me luck. All right, now let's take them out. This is the easiest thing in the world. Ah, what a beautiful thing. Can I scream? Ah, I love it. Look at this one. Oh, I have the bow. I have the crown. What? This is really cool. I love it. Oh, I love it. Ooh, I'm gonna have them on the fabric and not on the card. So I'm gonna do a cascade. That is the idea. The same one. I'm happy that I have the length and the width I was needing. What? This is more than perfect. I love it. This is the layer. So I have that, and this with the beautiful things. And this, I'm going to glue them there. But first, I'm going to finish this part. Let me see. This is a little bit smaller. So I will go with the heart. Only the heart. I don't want the wings in here. Let me see if I have the heart. Yes, I do. I have it. Oh, it's so cute. I'm going to have another heart there. Well, actually, I can have the wings. Why not? Wow. Ooh, I'm having fun. Here, like part of it. All right. Yes. 2 little ones in here. As you can see, these were used for face paint. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Right? Guys, look at this. I am in love. Today was really cold here in Miami. Well, we're tropical people, you know, and then only with 5 degrees less on temperature, we're crazy about the weather. We are very cold. I'm going to show you the layered cards. And actually, I don't want this to go out, like detached from the journal, so I'm just going to glue the whole thing here. Why? I love it. I love it. Okay, now here, as I cover one of the butterflies, I'm gonna do one more, and I really love the rose, so I'm gonna go with another rose here, there, and another butterfly of the same style down here. So it's gonna fly this way. Okay, this one. Oh, it's so cute. This is so nice. I'm like a little kid right now, right? Experimenting and seeing that this is working so nice. All right, so let me show you a little bit closer so you'll see the amazing details, you see? And so I have the layers there, there, and there. And then I have the big one here. This can be called contrasting modern with old. And what I need for this is a cardstock. This, if you go to the Dollar Tree, you're gonna see little bags in the Hands and Craft section, and they sell a bag full of these pieces of cardstock. But the amazing thing is that they come, some of them come with texture. This is actually the perfect size. I don't even need to cut anything. Okay, when it is for you, it is for you. So here, I'm not gonna do much in here. These two are together, and so I'm gonna try to glue the other one in the way that they look like one only photo strip. There, perfect. I hope I can have the third lady. So that is the thing. We're gonna cut this lady over here. I'm so sorry. And let's measure now. Here I have something from the kitchen, or I don't know. This, I'm going to do something else. So if I go over here, I can just place it there. That is the way this is going to look. And on the back, I can always have, for example, these little pieces here. I'm gonna glue them as a frame. That goes there. This goes down here. As you can see, with only simple things, nothing fancy, nothing from buy too much, spending too much, you can make amazing things. Like in an actual photo strip. Awesome. Okay, so this is it. This is not fully dry, but we can always go and give it extra touch of glue. Okay, this is what I have. We can always round the corners. I don't know if I want to do it or just gonna leave it like that. So this is my final 2 pages, and I just accomplished the day December the 3rd is the second ephemera, layer tag and retro film strip. So I accomplished my goal. I have the layers here. Let me take this out. And I have, of course, this top spot here that is completely the same size of the top spot. I have the card, and the contrasting is amazing because I have the old and the new, and that's gonna be the name I'm gonna give to this video in the thumbnail. So the old and the new. This is all I have for today. I hope you like it. I hope you try it. And this was my ephemera for day 1. I can probably do some decorations, some extra decorations in an envelope I got here. So I cut the envelope and I placed yesterday's card that is traveling in time. I have the key so I can go inside, travel in time, and I have 2 doors to trespass and see what do I have inside there. And also I have this door from Sherlock Holmes. So I am super happy with this year Dephemberember so far. And I promise you I'm gonna have a video for the making of the cover. And I also want to remind you that I did the binding of this journal in a completely different way. I'm gonna link it up here, and also I'm gonna link it down below this episode in the description box. And also I'm gonna link the making of the crochet border or margins of the signature, and also this flap over here. So a lot of surprises, a lot to do in this journal, and what a best moment to do it than Dephemberember. So enjoy December. I hope you watched the video till this point, and if you did, thank you so much. You can always click in my picture at the end of the video to subscribe, or click here this little red arrow so you can be automatically subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. If you like it, if you enjoyed this moment, leave me a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment. Are you gonna work in your journal? Are you getting some inspiration from this series so far? Okay, so I would love to read your comments, and I'm going to appreciate it so much. So thanks for watching, and remember, you can also use the stickers from Face Paint in an amazing way to produce beautiful effects on your ephemera inside your journals, like I did here with this. I see you soon, my friends. I hope you like it, and goodbye. Take care. I see you tomorrow. What do we have tomorrow? Wait, don't go away. We have apothecary label and quirky cat or dog. Oh my goodness, I already have a big cat. Let me see what is gonna happen tomorrow. Bye, friends. I see you. Bye-bye.